Have you ever pondered how to transform your passion for digital platforms into a lucrative venture? The answer might be simpler than you think. It's called affiliate marketing. Engaging in affiliate marketing means becoming a bridge between potential customers and the products or services they desire. It's a fascinating world that can turn a simple blog or website into a money-making machine. So, how does one get started? Step 1. Choose a niche. What interests you? What are you passionate about? What sparks that fire in you? This is the backbone of your affiliate marketing journey. The more genuine your interest, the more likely you are to succeed. Step 2. Build a website or a blog. This becomes your platform, your stage, your voice. It's where you'll share your insights, reviews, and recommendations about products or services related to your chosen niche. Step 3. Join an affiliate marketing network. These networks serve as intermediaries between merchants and affiliate marketers. They provide you with the necessary links to a merchant's website that you'll use to promote their products or services. Step 4. Create quality content. This is where you shine. Create engaging, relevant, and informative content that appeals to your audience. Remember, your content should not just promote products, but provide value to your audience. Step 5. Promote your affiliate products. Use the links provided by the affiliate network to direct your audience to the merchant's website. Each time a purchase is made through your link, you earn a commission. Step 6. Optimize your platform. Use search engine optimization techniques to increase traffic to your site. More traffic means more potential customers, and more potential customers means more conversions. Now, let's summarize the key points about affiliate marketing. 1. Affiliate marketing is a commission-based business model where you promote other people's products or services on your digital platform. 1. It's important to choose a niche that aligns with your interests and passions. 1. Joining an affiliate marketing network is crucial as it connects you with merchants and provides you with promotional links. 1. Creating high-quality, engaging content is key to attracting and retaining your audience. 1. Promoting your affiliate products within your content will lead your audience to the merchant's website, earning you a commission for each successful purchase. 1. Optimizing your platform with SEO techniques will increase your site's visibility, driving more traffic and potential conversions. Affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires time, effort, and dedication. But with the right approach and mindset, it can become a rewarding venture. So why not take the leap and start your own affiliate marketing journey today?